It's as trim as a briefcase and as easy to carry as a portable radio. The perfect way to show and enjoy the color slides you took last summer. It's the new Kodak 300 Color Slide Projector. Not only is it the smartest looking projector you can buy, but the Kodak 300 is a pleasure to use, with easy to reach controls right here on top, and a new Ready-Matic changer, the smoothest and simplest ever designed. Its wide-angle lens shows your slides big and bright in full color in any room, large or small. The new Kodak 300 projector, in your choice of 2 color combinations, costs just $64.50, or as little as $6.50 down. It's also available with an automatic magazine-type changer, and because it's made by Kodak, you know it's good.